everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have alcohol for you. Just a little disclaimer before we get started. As you already know, no part of me is trying to brag or say that I'm better in any way because of these Ulta hauls that I do. Obviously, you know that is not the way that I think about things. I am not trying to say that in the slightest. I'm not trying to imply anything. I just go to Ulta a lot because I have a problem and I like to show you guys what I do end up getting. But if you would like to see the haul, then keep on watching. So you guys, this is the haul for lipstick. I don't know what happened, but I went a literal lipstick crazy in this video, or not in this video, but in this haul. The majority of the stuff is lipstick. So let's actually get on with the other stuff first, and we'll do the lipsticks at the end. So the first two things that I got right here, they're both by the brand I Do Care, like IDEW, Do Care, and this is a Korean skincare brand, super cute, and I love this packaging. I saw it on the website first and I thought it was adorable, and these are little clay masks. This one is the common calamine clay mask. I haven't used any of these yet. I just got this the other day, but I've heard a lot about them and they are really cute. This is what they look like in the packaging. And then, ooh, it looks like that inside. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. This one right here says that it is for more sensitive skin, so I am more inclined to use this one. And then this one right here is the Pure to Pore Cleansing Volcanic Ash Clay Mask. This one is a lot more scary, so I don't know how often I'm going to be using this one because my skin's very sensitive, you guys, and I don't know. Oh my god. It's like straight up, oh my god, I'm kind of scared. I really want to use that one. I really want to use this one. I don't know why, but it really kind of freaks me out. We'll see. I'll do a video on it at some point. I'm sure I will. Next up here, I got something from the Body Shop. I've never used anything from the Body Shop before, but I got this mango body butter, and I smelled this, and oh my god, it smells so good. Yes, and here's what it looks like inside. It's literally just a body butter, just like it says, but I've heard a lot about this brand and I've never really tried anything from them before, so I'm super excited to try this out. It kind of reminds me of Lush. I think it's just that kind of same situation to where it says 24-hour intense moisture for dry skin, so super excited. I have very dry skin, so maybe this will work for me. Next up, I have 3 palettes here, and these are all from Lorac. Lorac came out with 3 brand new Unzipped palettes, and I have all 3 right here. I have the Unzipped Unfiltered Palette, and let me see if I can open this. This packaging to open it is real weird, and I just painted my nails, so I hope I can get this open. I got one open. And this was what the Unfiltered palette looks like. Each one comes with a dual-sided brush, kind of like a big fluffy brush and then like a packer brush. And then here are the shades. Right here, as you can see, it does have this really light champagne shade, a pink, light brown, kind of a champagne again, dusty shade, and then a dark brown here. Real pretty. Can't wait to use this. And then next we have the Unzipped Brazen palette, which I do believe is more like golds and copper shades. Ooh, this one's actually really nice. I don't even think I've looked at this one yet. Ooh, I like this one. This one right here, it has a really nice chocolate brown, a really nice gold brown color, that kind of red in the middle, and then a light brown, and then a champagne on the end. This one's really gorgeous. I think I may use this one first. I like this, and I've used Lorac palettes in the past, and their shadows are literally amazing, like actually great, and I'm very excited. And then this one right here is the Unzipped Elegance palette. I do believe this one is a lot more cool toned. From what I saw, I did see Raw Beauty Christie use one of these palettes, and I think it may be this one. I think she used this one. And I'm super excited. I actually really do like cool tones. Oh yeah, ooh, this one's real gorgeous. This one is the cool toned one, and it has this gorgeous purple, this kind of really silvery color, this brown, this lighter silver, and then this one over here kind of like a cream color. Oh, it's beautiful. I love This one. Alright, so this one and the Brazen palette look to be right up my alley. So I am so excited about those three. And then the last things that I have got are lipsticks. And I got two from Kylie. Right here, I got two lip kits. I've never actually used a lip kit from her before. I've only used her liquid lipsticks, but they're the same thing. This one is in the shade Mary Jo K right here. It is that gorgeous red. And this one has the lip liner right here, which is in the shade, oh, Mary Jo K. And here is what it looks like. And then here is what this red looks like. It's stunning. It's beautiful. I love this red shade. It's probably one of my faves. I mean, how original, how different can you get with a red? But I don't know, but this one's really, really pretty. And I will say, using this lip liner before putting on the lipstick really, really helps with being moisturizing. I don't know why, but this lip liner, putting it on first and then using this, it helps it be a lot less irritating because, again, I think Kylie's matte liquid lips are pretty drying. I love them though, but I do think they're pretty drying. So using the lip liner, at least for me, does help with the moisture. So I'm very happy with that. And then I got the shade Exposed right here. I'm not sure how I feel about this one. I have already tried this one on and it may be a little too light for me. I may have to give it like another shot, but here is what the lip liner looks like. It is a really nice nude, but I think it just may be too, it may not suit my skin tone. I do love the nude though, like it's really pretty. I do like this shade a lot. I don't know. I'll have to try it again later on and see what I think and just give it another shot. But yeah, here is what this one looks like. It is really, really pretty and I do like the shade. I'll try and then I'll let you know. But I think it may be a little too light for me, but we shall see. And then you guys, the pretty much all of these left are, oh wait, I lied. This one is a separate Kylie liquid lip. It's a velvet liquid lip and it's in the shade Goals. This one screamed at me when I saw it. It is so pretty. It's kind of like this orange copper red shade. I really loved it and I love Kylie's velvet lips. I think they're really, really comfortable and long wearing even for being a velvet. So I love this shade. So that's all of Kylie's stuff, so finish that. And the rest of these are from Anastasia. I got 2 glosses and 3 liquid lips right here. So let's start with the glosses. I got this in the shade Estella and Venus. And these were so gorge. I just said gorge, oh my god. These were really, really pretty. This one is in the shade Venus. And I love this gloss. This one may just be one that I wear by itself. I think it's really, really stunning. If you can see that, it's stunning. I love this shade. And then the other one I got is in Estella. And this one is kind of a more coppery gold gloss, which I don't know if I'm down with, but I am going to try it. Obviously, I didn't swatch these in the store because, I mean, ew. Here, as you can see, it is a bit more reflective than the other one, but this one's really, really gorgeous. When I say swatch in the store, I didn't use the tester. That's what I mean. Those are really pretty, and then the last 3 are liquid lipsticks. This one is in the shade Crush, which I really do think I like. I tried this one out the other day, and I really think I like this shade. And when I put this on, it kind of felt like velvet. I don't know why. It felt really nice. Like, it felt really good to put on. And it didn't feel super, super drying. It is drying, but it didn't feel super drying. Here's what this one looks like. And this one is literally like a better, like Your Lips But Better kind of lipstick, especially for me personally. I don't know how it'll look on other skin tones, but for me personally, it is just a Your Lips But Better kind of lipstick, and I love this one. Next up, I have one called Stripped, and this one is going to be a little too light for me, I'm afraid. It is a very, very light brown shade. It is gorgeous. Maybe this on a deeper skin tone will look really, really nice. Or if you just like this shade, then if you think it suits you, then absolutely go for it. But I did try this one on the other day when I put makeup on, and it was a smidgen too light. Even this Exposed shade is a bit darker than this. So this one may just be a too light for my skin tone, but I think it's a gorgeous shade. And this one right here is called Dusty Dusty Rose. I thought it said Dirty Rose for a second, and I was just like, oh, Anastasia. Yes, but look at this. This is a literal Dusty Rose. It is this gorgeous mauvey pink color. Not mauve. I don't know my colors. But oh man, this one's so gorgeous. Right there. I love shades like this, and it pulls a bit purple as well. Oh, also I got a Stila liquid lip in the shade Chianti, which is or Chianti, however you want to say it, because I was out of that one. It is like a really kind of like dark purple berry shade, and that one's in my purse. I don't have it, but I love that one too. But guys, that has been my Ulta haul. I'm obsessed with pretty much everything that I got this time. I love it. I cannot wait to use these Lorac palettes, you guys. I will 100%. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.